Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. Today we are trying some really cool viral fashion hacks but with oversized t-shirts, and Bewakoof was kind enough to send me so many cool t-shirts with different colors and prints, and I'm so excited. And this video is probably like 4th or 5th video of me trying some really cool fashion hacks, and I love making these kind of videos and you guys love watching them as well. And it's like fashion police. Let's find out if those hacks work in real life or not, and let's find our own personal style as well. So let's get started. So let's start with the first hack. Let's start with actually a nice and simple and cute one because आगे जाके hacks बहुत crazy होने वाले हैं. So let's set the mood light. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Nice t-shirt by the way. Okay. Really? That's it? मुझे लगा कितना not. That's not. I want to try it right now. Wait. Okay, so I have this t-shirt from Bewakoof. This is their boyfriend t-shirt for women in size large. I have this right over here with me. Wait, let me remove my shirt first. It's in color ginger spice. I love the color. Love the material. बहुत अच्छा material है. It's way too soft on skin and it's super duper light as well. This is how it looks like. Yes, I have pants नीचे. Okay, so what she did was she took some of the cloth अपने like कोई भी ऐसे corner से तुम ले सकते हो, left side या right side से, and just bring it through the hoop, and the leftover material just put it inside and just cover it up. And that's it. How does it look? It was way too easy यार, like seconds में हो गया. And बहुत ही ऐसे cute look भी दे रहा है, like slight oversized but नीचे से fit. Such a nice style to wear with your shorts or skirts or jeans, whatever. Like बहुत ही ऐसे chill and chic casual look दे रहा है. Like तुम ऐसे बन सकते हो अपने friends के सामने and they'll be like कैसे किया, but now you know how you did it. Okay, let's try another one with the same t-shirt. How to t-shirt bow. Alright, this sounds fun and cute also. Let's see. Okay, she took 2 corners. That's it. ओ हाँ सही है. लाइक टाई करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, वो बो इफेक्ट ऑलरेडी दे. दैट इज़ सो कूल एंड ईजी. ऐसा लगता है कि ये कहाँ थे, मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं ट्राई किया. अब ट्राई करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स ओपन इट फर्स्ट. ओके, सो व्हाट शी डिड वाज उसने एक ये कॉर्नर लिया एंड शी टुक दिस कॉर्नर. दिस इज़ फाइन. ओके, आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड. हो जाए. ये दिस इज सो क्यूट. जो ऑलरेडी जो ये हुप वाला पार्ट है ना तुम्हारे जीन्स का या फिर अपने शॉर्ट्स का, ये ऑलरेडी ऐसा दे रहा है कि बीच में अ नॉट इज हैपनिंग, so you don't have to really tie a knot and it will give a illusion कि knot है, and it looks so cute. So happy. Okay, so let's see another one. Easy crop tee stays in place. Okay, let's see. Need 2 rubber bands for that. Fine. Let's just ignore the fact कि हमारी girls की rubber bands घूम होती रहती है. Oh, this looks so nice. It looks nice and pretty decent and easy as well. दिखने में ऐसा लगता है कि कितना ऐसे मेहनत लगा होगा, but let's see. Let's try this with another one. You guys are not ready for this. This one is special. It's a Friends logo boyfriend's t-shirt. I've been actually looking for this logo wala t-shirt from so long. I'm so happy I finally have it. I love Friends anyway. It's like one of my, the most favorite shows ever. And let me know if you guys also love Friends. We are friends already. See. Okay, so let's try the hack. I have 2 rubber bands. इतनी मुश्किल से मुझे मिले हैं in 2 different colors, but it's okay because they're gonna hide inside. ठीक है. So let's do our partitions equally like this. ठीक है. This much is fine. Let's secure it with a rubber band. It's fine, I guess. It looks so funny right now, but anyway. Then you can just adjust it accordingly, like how much crop do you want, and secure it from the other side as well. This is fine. And just, woo, let's push this inside also. Yeah, this is how it looks like. ये एक्चुअली में बहुत सिक्योर्ड है एंड इट लुक्स नाइस एंड डिसेंट. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा लाइक आई एम डाइंग, लाइक बहुत टाइट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल. पीछे से भी इट लुक्स वेरी डिसेंट. आई गेस दिस हैक इज गुड टू गो. दिस इज नाइस. Love it. Not only this, I love pairing up my t-shirts with denim jackets. Like this is such a cool look, and this is actually my everyday basic look. Like chances are if you're meeting me somewhere, I'm wearing this sort of look only. And I understand that most of the people don't really like, you know, wearing crop style. So even without, you know, crop style, you can style this t-shirt. Let me show you. And anyway, this t-shirt has Friends logo. This in itself looks super duper cool, and if you're wearing outside with your friends or just chilling, you are going to be getting asked so many questions कि कहाँ से ली, and this just looks perfect in itself. You literally do not have to do anything with it. So cool is that. I know I changed my last line a little bit, but थोड़ा change तो बनता है. Cute hacks to style your t-shirt. We're always up for it. Okay, let's watch it together. All right. ये मुझे थोड़ा ट्रिकी लग रहा है. Let's try it. Okay, so let's try it. I'm a bit nervous. I don't know how it will turn out, but वही हमारा काम है. Let's see. Okay, I guess this much is fine. Okay. Then you just have to twist and twist. This much is fine. And then from the inside, okay, wait. Just secure it with a rubber band. Okay. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है. It's a bit tricky, I would say. Are we ready to see? How does it look? I'm a bit confused. उसने यहाँ से ऐसे अंदर भी tie up किया था. I don't want to do it because I'm fine with, you know, the effect it's giving me. Like it's cinching from my waist very nicely, so it's giving me a slimming effect. So that's nice. Otherwise, like, did you guys notice? Like, it's from their men collection. Love the print and the material, everything. And you can even gift it to your boyfriend or, you know, someone you know, your brother or anyone. And my hack is basically, okay, so what usually happens is I'm always stealing my boyfriend's t-shirt. So what I do is I just gift him one and then I steal it back. So it's like, you know, my thing only. You guys always ask me how to convert any oversized t-shirt into a dress. I always get these comments and these requests, so today I'll show you. Okay, so I have this oversized pastel yellow color. We also have this guy. Remember him? Last video में मैं बेचारे का नाम भूल गई थी. मैंने इसको इतना टाइम दिया है ना अपने childhood में, and I was like, मैं इसका नाम कैसे भूल सकती हूँ? But finally, Sylvester. We have Sylvester logo right over here. Brings all my childhood memories back. I used to watch Sylvester and Tweety Mysteries so much. I loved that show. But anyway, let's come back to the video. Again, love this t-shirt. Okay, so how you can convert it into a dress is just grab a belt like this or any belt which you have and just place it across your waist like so. Very comfortable and chill, and वैसे that's it. But to do more layering, I'm also, you know, want to add a denim jacket, क्योंकि denim jackets ना ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो हर किसी के ऊपर चली जाती है, and it just instantly adds more, you know, chill vibe to your look. It looks super duper fun and experimental, and there you go. That's it. Such a nice look to experiment with. Also, don't forget to wear something नीचे to be more comfortable. Don't forget that. I found this really cool video जिस पर लिखा है stop doing this. No one tells Sonia to stop doing what she's doing. And I guess अब मुझे ये देखना ही पड़ेगा, and मैंने उसके लिए right kind of t-shirt भी पहनी हुई है. Revolt. Let's watch it together. Okay. I tie my knots like this only. What's the big deal? But now she'll tell us कि ऐसे नहीं करना. मैं समझ गई. Oh, smarty pants. ठीक है, let's try it. Okay, so I have this large t-shirt over here. Let's try it. Okay, so wait, like this, and then I have to crisscross and make a knot out of it. Wait, let me try. And then जो ये extra material है, you just have to hide all of it with this. This is so easy to do actually. This looks nice. Like even if you don't want to crop it and if you don't want to show your stomach, उसे थोड़ा सा नीचे कर लो and that's it. You're done. You don't have to tuck it inside. Looks nice, looks pretty, decent. I even love this logo which is happening right over here. Like such a decent and minimal look to have. Like not too much attention it's taking, and it's such a nice piece to have in your closet. Love it. I have something super duper cool. Let's watch it. So excited. Boring t-shirt. Twist your tea. बहुत जल्दी आया, मैं पढ़ भी नहीं पाई. ठीक है. Really? So cool. I want to try it. Let's do it with some plain t-shirt. Let's do it with this one, the first t-shirt which we tried. Alright, so you just have to take any sleeve from so just choose any sleeve, left or right. I'm choosing the right one, and just take it inside through your neck like this. Okay, let me try it. Wait, this is a bit confusing actually. Wait. कुछ तो है, मुझे ये करना है. कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं कर नहीं पा रही हूँ. Give me a second, let me figure this out. Yes. ठीक है, मुझे समझ में आ गया है. This is like a puzzle. ठीक है, this is fine. And this side. Oh God, like how do you do it? No. Here, got it. ये फाइनली मुझे मिल गया यार. ये बहुत ट्रिकी था. ट्रिकी इन द सेंस दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड वन स्लीव. दैट्स इट. दैट्स योर ओनली ट्रिकी पार्ट. ओके, यहाँ पे शी अटैच्ड इट विद अ सेफ्टी पिन. आई हैव इट राइट ओवर हियर. बट मुझे ना अभी रुको, पीछे से दिखाना है क्योंकि मुझे पीछे से ना बहुत हवा आ रही है. Let me show you pictures. This is looking fine. मैंने उसे अच्छे से अटैच नहीं किया. I guess I'm gonna need one more, or else you can just like put it inside your bra or any inner which you're wearing inside. पीछे से. यार, this is so weird. This is like Nangu from पीछे. क्या करूँ मैं इसका? To be very honest, it's like a cool style. But it's like a backless t-shirt, so you have to wear right kind of innerwears inside. But yeah, this actually looks cool for me. I mean, I'm fine with it, but मैं से बाहर जाके शायद ना पहन पाऊँ. Probably if I'm wearing a cover up, then it's okay. But it's a bit uncomfortable, and this thing, like from front, it does not look nice. So I don't know, I'm confused, but it's a nice style to try. So let me know if you're trying this at home and कैसा निकल कर आया है. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I love making these kind of testing viral hacks with you guys. It's like, so much learning is happening. We tried some really cool and fun and achievable hacks, and at the same time some weird hacks which you guys are seeing right over here. But anyway, let's ignore that. Also, all the t-shirts which I wore today are in size large, so you can pick your sizes accordingly. You can check them out on Bevakov's website. I have also provided links for all of them in description box down for you guys. Don't forget to use this coupon code for some additional discount because we always love that. And yeah, let me know if I should be making more of these kind of videos, because personally I love making them and I just enjoy the whole process. So yeah, let me know by liking and commenting, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Watch me go.